Hi guys, it has been a while. It's been a long time since I posted a video. Now on the advice of some of my subscribers, I've been making an attempt to improve the quality of the videos. Firstly, I got a new camera from Jax, who is a follower of the channel, and that camera is what I'm using right now to video record this. And I'm trying to list the names of the street, as you can see at the bottom left there. So what have I been up to? Alright, so turning off Camp Road now onto Tom Redcam. Yes, so recently I've graduated from UA. Got the PhD in biochemistry, and I started a new job, so I've been extremely busy. I'm trying to adjust and get into the groove of things. Also, I was recently awarded the Prime Minister's Youth Award for Innovation in Science and Technology. So some pretty good news so far. So what are my plans for the future now? It's time to try and make some money and move on to the next phase of life. Maybe have a few children now. Anyway, so yeah, I will be making videos as much as I can, given the time, and I'm trying to get back into blogging. If you have not visited my website, it is lifeofajamaican.com. Haven't written or posted in a while, but I want to get back into that. Oh, this guy's turning here. So this will be a very short video, just a drive from Arnold Road to Stanton Terrace. Yes, so this road was named after our famous runner, Arthur Wint. Represented us in the 1948 Olympics, I believe. Yeah, I believe that's it. And to the right here, you have the National Stadium. But I will be making my way to the left on Roosevelt Avenue, all the way down to Stanton Terrace. Yes, so I'll be using this new software to edit videos. I'm not sure how good this is though, but it's called Power Director. So far it has been working. So let's see what you guys think of it. No, I wasn't speeding here. Right. So this is about where I will end the video, the first video. So this is just another test, of the new devices that I'm using. Great. So most of the videos that I will post now will be in Kingston until I probably make another island tour. Better quality videos, maybe a little commentary to accompany the updated navigation that will be added. That's it.